8 space-making hacks for small kitchens. When it comes to whipping up much-needed vertical storage, there's nothing like IKEA's Grundle Kitchen series. The budget-friendly stainless steel system is designed to hang on walls so you can make the most of your kitchen's untapped vertical space. If you have a sliver of space between the fridge and the wall in your small kitchen, consider making a hidden DIY rolling pantry like this one from Alan Chu. It's perfect for storing canned goods and other non-perishable kitchen essentials. A stainless steel pegboard backsplash is a great double-duty feature that protects kitchen walls from spills and splatters while keeping tools that you often use handy. A folding table can provide a spot where you can prepare and eat food without taking up valuable floor space. It can also be a perfect idea for a desk that you can tuck away when you're finished working. Just take a look at this marvelous idea in action from Tiny Box House. We love how this tiny cottage kitchen keeps the countertop clutter-free using several clever storage solutions. Below are our favorite ideas. Sure, a kitchen island can create additional counter space in a small kitchen. But if you can't spare the floor space, an over-the-sink cutting board is an ingenious quick fix. This one allows you to rinse before chopping. If there's not enough space in your tiny kitchen to create the storage you crave, consider using a nook or closet in a nearby room. A recessed niche can be used to stash kitchen tools you occasionally use or non-perishable pantry items. A curtain, as shown on the left, can keep what you store out of sight. Corner space is usually underutilized in many homes. But when you're trying to make every square inch in your small kitchen count, corner shelving can give these awkward spots a purpose. Just take a look at this nifty kitchen from the Tiny Project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.